Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and I'll be doing a Old Navy haul today actually. And the first things I'm going to show you are some shorts. Like I don't own that many shorts. I only have like three. One that I'm wearing, I'm going to show you guys because that's my favorite short. And like if I go any more length than that, it does not look good on me. And then I have two more, like not there. That is like I think one I had got from American Eagle and the other one I had got from Old Navy. Now the Old Navy one is a little longer, so I'll show you guys how that longer one, how different it makes me look. Because the shorter ones, like 3-inch ones, look better. I think the one I'm wearing is 3-inch. So let's get on with the haul and let me show you guys. And these are things that I hauled recently, and then I have few things I think there, like yeah, those the colored ones, tops you see, those are actually the ones I hauled some time back. But the ones on that side, yeah, the ones on that side, all those are the ones I hauled recently along with this. So some were on clearance, and I think all were on clearance. Yeah, all of them were on clearance, I think. So I will share all that. So first let me share the shorts that I have got. And yeah, before that let me show you the shorts that I'm wearing, because this is my favorite shorts, and it is from Express. My favorite short. This is the only one I feel comfortable wearing, because for me when I wear, for me, like I want like the jeans to be one, like comfortable, but also I want, I don't want to be conscious, right? So like I don't like when it sticks too much. Like this area here needs to look decent for me, really decent, because I'm not like a teenager anymore or anything, so I want like it to look decent. So that's why I love these shorts. And if I wear a little longer, it does not look that good, just because I'm so short. So for me, like yeah, I need that it should be this much. If more leg is seen, then it looks like better. So so that is my shorts, and this is a size 2 from Express. And this I have this for from a long time actually. And then this one also is from Express, the top, and I love it. It's such a good um, like quality basic top, so beautiful. And then, so let me show you the ones I picked up. So I picked up only the short kind of ones. So I picked up these ones here. I have a lot. I had actually hung them there, but I'm going to show it here one by one. First one here is this one here, the black one. And I don't really have black shorts. I only have like white and that light green, and then the jean shorts. Only three I have. So I thought I'll pick up a black one, and this was on sale, and it is also size 2. It's a size 2, and it was on sale for like 397. That was such a good price, so I picked it up, 397. And this is a Old Navy's Pixie pant. Yeah, it's just the Old Navy's Pixie style. So it doesn't have it's like it's just like it has this hem here. It doesn't have a cut or anything, so it's pretty decent. And then one here is this one, and this is the Boyfriend jean, and it is in this wine color. It's also size 2, and then you can see it is the 3-inch inseam. And then this was 547. This was 547. So I liked. And then this has this cut here. So I mean, I'll be wearing this and showing you guys, so you can see how it looks. But it's just cut here in the edge. So I got that one. Next, I got these three, which are pretty much same. I think they are this cotton kind of ones, like very nice for summer. And I got them all in extra small. Yeah, they didn't have like 2, 4. They had like extra small. So the small ones seemed a little bit more like wider when I wore them. But these ones seemed a little better. So this actually originally they are 26.99. 26.99. but then they were all like 50% off, so I got them for like 13 bucks, I guess. So this color, I like this. So I picked up three colors actually. There was a cream color, but cream didn't look that nice on me, so I was like, okay, that's fine. So I just got this color, and then they're all the same. Um, and I don't know what they're called because there's no like name or anything here. It just says, yeah. And then I got this color, beautiful summer color. And I figured that even if I don't wear them outside, I can just like wear them in the house, like, you know, because I don't have nice shorts to wear at home. And I'm usually always in summertime, I'm always in shorts inside the house. So okay, that color, beautiful. And then I picked up a black too. Let me show you guys the two I was talking about that I already have. This one I have, this is from, it's a super stretch American, from American Eagle Outfitters. I got this, and I think I bought this for $15 if I remember correctly. All the shorts were on sale for $15, and that's the day I went and got this. And I actually couldn't find this size. What size is this? I couldn't find the correct size in what to say, in dark color. I wanted a dark color, like I wanted black that day when I went, but I found this. So this is like, okay, I don't like love it that much just because it's so hugging, that sometimes I feel conscious with this, but it still looks nice. Now, and this one is the Old Navy one. Now you see this one, this Old Navy one is a little bit longer. So I don't know, maybe this is, I don't know if it is 5-inch inseam. I don't know where to see for the inseam here, but so this one, you can see that it looks a little bit baggy on me. It is also size 2, but it kind of looks baggy when I wear it. Yeah. The white one I wanted to show you guys. It's a little bit longer. So as you can see, it makes me look a little more wider here, right? Because it's going even long like this. And then, so that's how it looks. So this is like, I have this from a long time actually. This is my very old one. Yeah. So I think that the short looks more flattering on me than the long one. I wear t-shirts, and these, I love this from Old Navy. They are so nice. I have a lot of them actually. I kind of have in all colors, I think. And this is an extra small. It was $3.49. It was on sale for like $3.49. So that's the reason I got this one. I like that. So that's a nice color. So that's how it looks. And then I got this one in small, and this was also had a sale price, and it had $11.99. And this is just like athletic wear, active wear, Old Navy active line, and it is small. It's a little thicker, but I like it. And yeah, it has a cut here also, so I like that. It'll be nice to wear, yeah, with your athletic wear stuff. Small active wear, and I like how it has this cut here. So it looks very nice. I've tried it on the pant, like yoga pants and all. It looks very nice on those. So I like that. It's like really long, so it covers me totally, like fully. So if, like, you know, on the days that I want full coverage, then it looks nice. So I like the top. Here, this I got in small. Now these, see that how long it is? So it looks nice when you wear it on the tights, and I love this design. Now, so these are the ones that I've picked recently. So that was on sale, and this was kind of not, it was on sale in the sense that, you know, they put like all of them and they put like this much dollar or 30% off. So it was like that. So I don't remember how much I paid for this. but they are originally 14.99. They're originally 14.99. You know, my video is so long that I'm trying to wear all these just with the shorts. That way I can just give, like, you know, I can give a try on both of them. So I'm just mixing, matching with the shorts that I have already showed you guys, so that I can just, you know, show you guys in like 3-4 trials, like all of them, right? So this is how the shorts look, and I do like it. It's not like very long, so I think it looks decent. A lot of my old navy also would have seen a lot of these kind of colors. I don't know what had happened to me. These three are tops that I had got like long back actually. I'm just like including it in this haul because I've never worn. It was $9.49, and yeah, it's just that kind of top. You would have seen me in an old haul I did. There were a few tops like this that was like plain black and then another color and something. This is how the this top looks. This is that sleeveless top I showed you guys. So I'm just pairing it with the black one that I showed you guys, the black shorts, and just so that you see it's really long. Yeah, you have to wear it like over pant, but I'm just doing the try on with these just so that you can see both of them, how they look. So that is how that looks. And yes, I changed my shoe for this one. I got another pair up here because I knew that I'll need like a red or something with like other colors. So that is how I would like wear it actually. Actually, I can wear it like that too. I don't need to wear it on the tights. I can wear it even on shorts, I guess. It's a little long for the shorts, but it's fine. So that is how that looks. I love this. This beautiful cream color top. I think it's so nice. Nice design, and it was actually on sale. And it was $9.99. I don't know the original price. It doesn't show it, but it just says extra small, like $9.99. So I love the top. It's so pretty, and that's how it looks in the back. And yeah, I'm not going to like fold and show just because I'm not going to wear this on the shorts. But anyway, so yes, that's also a cool look, but it looks very big if I wear it over the shorts, but it's nice. So it's really pretty top. And see, this material is like so good. It's like nice material. I don't know after washing if it would become like really, I don't know, but I like it. Like I feel like if I wash it, I don't know what's going to happen to it, but yeah. And it's very flowy kind. It's not like that stiff cotton type. So it's cute. So like I said, guys, I would not wear it on the shorts, but I'm just like showing it to you guys here, just for the try on. This color, I just like that color. It's just so bright. Color, sleeveless top. So this was $4.97 after sale. It was on sale, and then again I think it went further on sale for $4.97. So I got that one. I moved on to the cotton tops. The cotton shorts. So this is the black one, the cotton shorts, and that is how it looks. So if I tuck in, see, that's so comfortable. So I really like it. So even if I don't wear it outside, I can wear it in the house, and they're so comfortable to wear. So that's how the black looks. The simple white basic. I love white basic ones, and this is again in small, and I think I have one more probably. I have like so many white t-shirts. Everywhere I go, if I find a white one that looks nice on me, I'll just get it. So so this also same thing. No, this actually is retailed for $12.99, and I don't know why this would be $12.99. Okay, 12. So this is $12.99. White t-shirt that I showed you guys in small. Now again, I would not wear this size with the shorts. I would wear like an extra small so I can tuck it in. But just to show you guys the length. So that's how that looks, and I'm wearing it with the blue one, with the dark blue shorts that I showed you guys. That's how it has a tie, exactly same as the black one. So that's how it looks, and I think I am, yeah, I have all the Old Navy colors right now: white, blue, and red. Even I think Tommy Hilfiger also has the same color, so I'm looking like the American flag right now. So that's how that shorts looks. So it's the same style, so it looks the same way, and it's nice and comfy. This one is this nice blue top, and it has a open whatever this thing here, and it was extra small, and it's $12.99. So it was $12.99, and then it's in the back. It just looks like that. It has this open here at the button on the top, and yeah, it's just a nice what's this called? Open shoulder, cold shoulder top. That's how the yellow shorts look, and I would wear a white t-shirt over it. It'll look very nice with a white t-shirt, and since the one I have here is pretty long, so I didn't want to try that on. So that's how this top looks, and the shorts looks. I love that, like nice summer color, and I would pair it with a white top. Yeah, a solid plain white top would look really pretty on it, or any flowery top. I think this will look nice, I think, with it, because it has all colors here. It depends on what you're doing. You can wear this top too, it'll look nice. This kind of flowery tops. Hoodie here, and I love this, the zip, the open zip hoodie. And I don't have this color. I do have like hoodies in this kind of hoodies in like, I think I have gray color, I have like a black, like a short one, and like a lot of black tops I have, so I don't need black hoodies at all. But this one was like a nice like summer color, so I got that, so it's nice. And it was on sale for $7.97, so like $8. So I got it, and I think I have a purple one too. Yeah, I have a purple color also like this from long back. But so I got that. It's an extra small. Is the last one, guys. So this is just the zip hoodie, sweatshirt, whatever you guys call it. So it's really nice. Nice one with the zip, and I love the color. It's actually going well with what I'm wearing, so I like the color. That's how that looks. And this one is in extra small. The size, the one I'm wearing is extra small. So you can see, like before, extra smalls would like fit me properly, but now it's like, yeah, I mean I can zip it, but yeah, it's like a tight zip kind of, but not really tight, but yeah, like a fitting zip. So if I zip it, that's how it's gonna look. Oh, I do like it. That's it for the Old Navy haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video, and these are all things I've hauled recently, so hopefully you should find them in the Old Navy store. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and be safe out there. I love you all. Bye, guys.